Professor at the UWI St. Augustine Campus, Judith Gobin, says life on the seafloor is diverse and even unusual. Speaking at the Below the Blue distinguished lecture and a panel discussion hosted by the Institute of Marine Affairs on Tuesday, she said research and exploration crews continue to reveal much of what was previously unknown in the ocean. The online event was hosted to commemorate World Oceans Day, which was celebrated on Tuesday.
The figures here are indeed startling. It shows us how very little we still know of the seafloor. It is the largest component of the Earth's system, yet the least known that stabilizes climate and supports life on Earth and human well-being.
Professor Gobin said that the United Nations has proclaimed 2021 to 2030 the decade of ocean science for sustainable development.